do a quick video of how to remove Velcro from your hamster cage when you no longer want them there, or want to move them, or just cleaning the cage out entirely. You'll need a hairdryer, and that's it. And then just gently heats the adhesive up, and then you can just gently peel it off. Just doing this gently because this is on perspex sheet, so I don't want it cracking. Voila! And you can do the same to the water bottle if you don't want the other half on the water bottle. Yes, it's left no stickiness behind, so brilliant.